Whether you're looking to be promoted or you're already in a leadership role, here's 5 leadership skills that you should be working on right now.
It's Thirsty Thursday. You're so thirsty, thirsty Thursday. Thirsty for knowledge, thirsty Thursday. Drink it up.
The first thing that you'll want to start practicing is giving and receiving feedback. Now you might think, well, Katie, that's pretty easy. I just say, hey, here's some feedback, or hey, do you have feedback? But truly, it is a skill and it takes some time to master, because giving and receiving feedback is something that should be done with care and respect, but also should be very clear. One of my favorite authors, Brene Brown, in Dare to Lead, she says, clear is kind, unclear is unkind. Learning how to effectively give and receive feedback is an important leadership skill that every leader, whether present or future, should be working on regularly. Number 2, refine your emotional intelligence. As our world has become more digitized, creating emotional connections has actually become more and more difficult. And that's why focusing on our own emotional intelligence is key to being an effective leader. As leaders, we have to be in control and aware of our emotions while also being aware of the emotions of the people that we're leading. And that's why this is a skill that constantly needs to be refined. If you're not quite sure where to start on working on your emotional intelligence, then look at some of my past videos. I have a few on this very subject. In addition to that, there are tons of resources out there, and you could also hire me to come work with you and your team to build your emotional intelligence skills. Number 3, practice showing appreciation. Being grateful for every opportunity that comes your way and recognizing that even challenging situations and yes, difficult people are development opportunities. Be thankful when someone puts you in a challenging situation. Be grateful when you're given more work. Thank your supervisor for sending you to training or delegating a task to you. These are all things that help you exhibit leadership abilities and grow. So you want to make sure that you're appreciative each and every time one of these situations falls in your lap. Make sure you don't drop the ball. Number 4, work on your problem-solving techniques. Problem-solving is something that all leaders have to deal with, and you can use things from brainstorming to mind mapping to an array of different techniques. Learning about your own problem-solving styles and additional techniques and styles that you can acquire and utilizing the problem-solving skills of your team is key to being effective in leadership. Like my dad always said, there's more than one way to skin a cat. So there's always more than one way to solve a problem. And it's important that you have the ability to really be flexible in your problem solving and allow for other people to share their ideas and opinions freely without feeling judged or challenged. And number 5, be a mentor and have a mentor. Mentorship is not the same thing as training or coaching someone. Mentorship is actually seeing something in someone and helping them to develop their own personal skills based on your abilities and experiences and being a guide for them. You want to find mentors of your own, more than one, in different areas. People that you look up to who are doing the things that you want to do someday, who are reaching the levels of success that you hope to reach. People that seem to have good ethics and moral standards. These are the people that you want to surround yourself with. And in turn, this is the type of person that you want to be. So, work on becoming a mentor, and the only way that you can do that is to have a great mentor. There's also programs like Toastmasters International and other groups out there that can actually help you practice being and receiving mentorship. So seek out resources and learn what it means to be a great mentor. And many times, being a mentor is much more rewarding than having a mentor. So there you have it. 5 leadership skills that you should be working on right now. Hi, I'm Katie Rigsby, multifamily consultant and speaker, otherwise known as the Multifamily Maven. I want to personally thank you for watching my video. And if you found this information helpful or encouraging, give it a thumbs up or share it with someone that you know. If you want to get new content fresh off the presses every Monday and Thursday, then go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Be sure to click the little bell so you'll get a reminder and you won't miss out. And while you're on my channel, look through all the past videos and see what else is out there. What kind of topics that you might be interested in. And if you're looking for anything specific, feel free to comment. Let me know what it is that you want more information about or ideas that you're looking for. I'd love to interact with you and give you exactly what it is that you need. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so that you can get new, fresh ideas and encouragement from me every Monday and Thursday. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day and be inspired.